What's happening? How bad is it going to be?
Well, it's been very bad in Spain, across the Canary Islands as well. We've seen some heavy rain and some strong winds. For us, we are going to certainly feel the effects of it tomorrow, Sophie. And as you said, yes, we have an amber weather warning in force for the risk of some localised flooding. Now, the amber warning doesn't kick in until midday tomorrow, but we are going to start to see the first signs of Storm Claudia through this evening and overnight, and as much as 150 millimetres falling perhaps in parts of higher ground of South Wales. I'll come back to that in just a moment. So it's this frontal system that's going to be moving its way steadily in. At the same time, we've seen some heavy rain today, over 1.5 inches in parts of Scotland. That is actually going to sink south and merge with Storm Claudia during the early hours, and actually the talking point in Scotland will be just how cold it is going to be. Through the night tonight, we're likely to see temperatures falling away to -5. Further south, double digits, but the talking point tomorrow across England and Wales will certainly be the intensity of the rain. So brighter greens denoting the heavy downbursts, and they're going to be driven in by the strong easterly winds. So some relentless rain across England and Wales, particularly South Wales and the Midlands. A different story further north with some sunshine, but just look how windy it's going to be. Gusts of winds in excess of 40 miles an hour, driving that rain out towards sheltered western areas. So we are likely to see temperatures staying in double figures, but that'll be fairly academic with the rain. A colder story, particularly when you factor in the wind in Scotland. Now, high pressure will continue to dominate, and that's going to prevent that front from moving north. And in actual fact, what it's going to do is open the door for a cold northerly flow to then take over as we move through the weekend and beyond. So plenty of weather to talk about, and a real change after what has been a very mild November so far. Noticeably colder into next week for all, and yes, some wintry showers in the forecast. Of course, we'll keep you updated here, but check out the BBC Weather app for details in your area. Sophie.